environment, friend in need. First of all, let us gain some knowledge and then we will begin. India's national capital has three waste dumping sites: Balsawa, Gazipur, and Hokla. And among them, the Gazipur dump is already in running to be taller in height than national monuments like Qutub Minar and Taj Mahal. Also, there is no processing of waste in most Indian cities, according to the Central Pollution Board, and in some cases, trash is simply burned in open dump yards on the main highway, so precaution has to be taken. Now, time for some reality. Our environment consists of all living beings. A healthy environment is one that is sustainable for a long period of time. It is the source of life for everyone. It directs the life of everyone and determines the proper growth and development. The good or bad quality of our life is depending on the quality of our natural environment. Our need for food, water, shelter, and other things depends on the environment around us. There must be a balanced natural cycle that exists between the environment and the life of human beings, plants, and animals. Human society is playing a vital role in degenerating the natural environment, which is affecting badly the lives on the planet. All the human action in this modern world directly impact our ecosystem. Many action of us have brought big changes to this planet, resulting in many environmental problems. Increasing demand for technologies and industries is another important factor. Due to all above human activities, our planet has reached unsustainable levels, so we have to play a significant role by using eco-friendly substitutes, stop using plastic bags. Government of our country should implement strict law for industry those are releasing the toxic waste for proper waste management, and environment friendly business companies cooperation can be done. An environmentally friendly building car fuel can be used. Environmentally friendly practices, techniques, technologies can be researched. Corporate companies are competing to provide the most environmentally friendly products and packaging. We can develop large garbage pits or dumping yards like other countries for the proper disposal of garbage are doing. Everyone can plant a tree for future generation, can do less use of private vehicles and save fuels. I want to convey that we must spread environmental awareness in our society as well as in our daily routine life. It is necessary to save and protect our environment.